today. Welcome to today's trading recap. Today's Friday. It's been a really long trading week, especially now that we started our new trading guide series. Try my best to be consistent. Just post trading recaps, even if I can't live stream at the time, because like my schedule is a little bit busy right now. I'll try maybe Mondays. Try to stream on Mondays. I'm not like promising, so I just hope I can keep on the consistency. Can mostly do the trading sessions, but on the weekends, I'm gonna try and upload some of my back testing. Show you guys how my back testing, yeah. And now, because I really need back testing, especially after today. It was really something, and that's what we're gonna discuss today. So, without further ado, get into it. So, it's the same thing. Yeah, regular same thing we do every day. It's gonna be different on the weekends. Like on Sundays, I have to start from the week, go to the month to see what price wants to do. So typically falls on the month. If I was to start the week, I do previous week. So that was this black candle over here. I already took it out because we already passed it. But I'll do this bearish candle, mark out the highs and lows. And so if it was this coming week, I'm gonna mark out the highs and lows of this week and just start. I'm gonna remove everything in New York, Asian, London, everything. Go to 1 minute and see what price wants to do for the month because next week is April. So we have this reversal right here, right? Happening January 1st of the new year. So we're gonna go. Well, it doesn't really make any sense. Like once you like analyze and back test more and more, you become like more fluent in it. So on daily, for instance, I see. Sorry, not the daily, the weekly. Weekly. Remember we said January 1st. January 1st, we were July. Talking about January. January 1st. This is the week of January 1st. No, this is the week. So we went bullish for a while and we caught this reversal, went bullish. Now we'll continue the trend. Last week was a reversal. So you can see the black candles are like picking up sell orders. Keep on going, pushing up. Eventually we're gonna go get here. Last time we got here was in September. So let me see the last time we actually got here. I don't wanna like so we fairly got here July of that same year. So July, September is like the same time we do it. So just one thing to keep in mind. So with that, knowing that we have July, September, this is like the times when price got to the peak or fairly got around the peak. So we should also be looking at earlier this year, probably May. I don't want to like predict the market and think can happen. And think can really happen nowadays. Like this was in May. Last time we got here was in May 2021. Yeah, so I can't predict the market. Can't do that. Have that skill. I'm winning all my trades. So cancel. Let's go back to the daily. Go to the daily, marked out yesterday's the highs and lows because we're bearish. No, this was Thursday. Sorry, we're bullish. This was Thursday. Because yesterday was a really long bullish day. I didn't get the trade done. You can watch in my previous video. Daily, right here. Mark that day's highs and lows of this bullish candle. I'm back down. It's the 4 hour. That's 340. Alright, mark that the highs and lows I can see. So mark that this low. This was on Wednesday. Mark that this low, mark that this high. This was the economic news daily candle. Then right here, you see price just shimmer down, simmer down, simmer down. So price is gonna be bumpy for a bit before it goes up. So I mean, on 1 hour markup, Asian session, London session, and New York session, my entry point marked out those few points. Then what did we realize? We realized that price was sloppy in Asian session. It wasn't really sloppy, but we made a very significant bullish move here. So we saw this bullish move in Asian session, under retaliated, then went bearish, made this London low. Price just reversed, made this high at 9 o'clock. Then I thought we were gonna keep on going higher to New York. I didn't really see the reversal trend. It was later on that I found out that we were gonna go bearish. Then stopped trading at like 12 o'clock, and that's when market decides to at 11. Market decides to go up a little while, but didn't go all the way to New York. So I mean, market should, if there's a gap, I always trade the gap. So if there's a gap on Sunday, we'll do that. I'm just gonna go over to the 15-minute and show you what I'm talking about. So right here, remember I said London was bearish and New York was a bit bullish. We were bullish, 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 bullish. I don't trade around these times, so I couldn't enter. So we did have our bullish move earlier today. We still did have our bearish move. Well, I mean, one thing I can say. So one thing I actually did learn was that each hour market is gonna go in a certain direction. For the 9 o'clock market was bullish. For the 10 o'clock market was bearish. It have because we had news today. That's why. Let me show you guys what I mean by news. Right here, it was Friday. At the core PPI, going for this, and I didn't know some of these actually acted the price. Like the orange ones, I know the red ones had, but I didn't know it could give like price a make price shake. So we learn every day. So 10 o'clock, we were bullish. I was not supposed to trade around 10 o'clock. That's a mistake I made, and that's one of the things I wrote in my plan. It's in my trading plan. Still don't follow it, like bar for bar. Still getting used to it. It's okay. So let's go on the 5 minute. Show you guys what I saw again. Reverse. So this was the point that made me okay. So right here, well, this was the New York guy, right? This was the point that made me that I didn't realize that market was gonna go down, right? No, market is gonna go down because I didn't see the bigger picture. I only saw the inside picture. Foolish me, I had gave mark out the order block and breaker block of this long this candle, right? I wasn't paying full attention. So like focus on one thing. I didn't see this fair value gap right here. It's really small. It's like more distinctive on the 1 minute. Or the 3 minute. Let me show you guys on 3 minute. Right here. If you guys can see this gap right here. I wasn't paying attention to see this was an inverse fair value gap on 1 minute. So like you guys can see it. Basically right here. I marked out this fair value gap. Everyone saw it was inverse. I still went in my trade and still entered, not knowing that this was gonna be the confirmation of we're still gonna go down. I just didn't look at the bigger picture. Like I said, even this fair value gap, inverse value gap. So I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention, and I was marking out the previous ones. I was marking out the most recent fair value gaps and order blocks. So that's something I have to know as well. To be honest, it was a really good setup, but in the wrong direction. Right here, I said, this is what I'm talking about. I marked out the value gap for some around 9 o'clock, and it's already like 10:30. That's given before the news that happened. So it's like poor of me to have done this. I think I rushed the trade, especially after the losing day yesterday. So I mean, it's something you learn every day. Don't blame myself for it. So yeah, I also did make a slight error again. After I knew price had gone down, I knew it was gonna reverse all the way here. Yeah, I knew it was gonna reverse all the way here. Wait, was it here? No, I said I knew it was either gonna reverse. It wasn't gonna reverse at London was here at this point. So price eventually did reverse and kept on going. Wait, did I say here? No. Okay, I made a mistake. I knew price was gonna go lower than I expected. My stop loss around here, right? This one. But meanwhile, price got to here. So the new thing I'm gonna try right now is that I'm gonna wait for price to go back up. And once it reverses back into this with this like handle, like let's we're bullish. One bullish, two bullish, three, four, five. Yeah, bearish. This is my sign that we might be entering something. That way again, one bullish, two bullish, three. But I see a sign again. Away, one bullish, two bullish, three bullish. Away. So if I can wait to when price gets here, then boom. I could have missed this trade. I mean, still not in my analysis, but this was exactly what I'm talking about. Like one, two, three, bearish. One, two, three. This that made me to enter, right? Because I see strong bullish movement, then see little bearish candles that are giving the pullback for me to get more buy orders to keep the price going up. So I did actually enter in this trade right here. You guys can see the blue candle. I just bought it. Didn't have any form of sense. The mistake I did make was that I didn't put partial my other TP. So I actually lost the whole trade because it only reached my first stop loss, which my first take profit, which was here, here, here. My final take profit. Wait, yeah, here, here, and here. This aging session was my final take profit because of the news one. So that's what I did yesterday and or did today, and I actually missed it. So tip to know: wait for price to keep in the trend, then wait for it to reverse once and twice, then enter. Not once, because once is like go false alarm. Like here, price went down, reversed one, two, went back down, reversed again. This will have been my confirmation that okay, we're gonna go down, right? And it doesn't really matter now about like how much you make. You just want to get the concept, especially as a beginner. Especially as a beginner, I love going with this two to one easy one because I know that price is always gonna go all the way here to this tracking zone. I could have also said London. Like I could have taken two trades for London. Like could also done Asian the Asian session though, which was here. If I mark this out right here, it would said Asian session though. I was really like if I knew my stuff. But I don't place my stop loss here. So that would have been a beautiful three. Is that fair? But I mean, you learn every day. You do learn every day. So that's something I'm gonna know. Just gonna keep up. You guys watch out for the back testing session. I'm gonna post this weekend. Really gonna be valuable. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. This one.